Hey freelancers, struggling to choose between GCash and PayPal for your online work payouts? In this quick video, we'll break down both platforms and compare them to find the best fit for your needs. Let's dive in. First off, GCash. It's the Philippines' top e-wallet powered by Globe Telecom. Perfect for local transactions, GCash lets you receive payments, pay bills, and shop online or in-store via QR codes. It's great for the unbanked with over 40,000 partner outlets for cash in and cash out. GCash offers low fees for local transfers, often free for bank-linked transactions, and integrates with local services like G-Credit for credit lines. However, its international reach is limited, relying on partners like Western Union for remittances. Now, PayPal. A global giant since 1998, PayPal operates in over 200 countries and supports 26 currencies. It's ideal for international clients, offering secure payments, buyer and seller protection, and easy integration for businesses. Transfers within PayPal are often free, but currency conversion fees can head up to 4%, and withdrawals to banks may take 1 to 3 days with fees up to 2%. It's trusted by 9 million merchants but can hold funds for new accounts. So, which is better? For local payouts in the Philippines, GCash shines with low or no fees, seamless local bank integrations, and accessibility for unbanked users. It's perfect for freelancers working with local clients or needing quick cash outs via ATMs or partners. For international payouts, PayPal is the winner. Its global reach, multi-currency support, and merchant trust make it ideal for cross-border work, despite higher fees and slower withdrawals. If you're dealing with both, linking GCash to PayPal offers a no-fee withdrawal option in the Philippines. Choose GCash for local ease and low costs, or PayPal for global flexibility. Need both? Use them together. Drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more finance tips. Bye.